happens? Right when I'm in the middle of something. I don't get how this thing even goes off.
North Central Illinois, Southern Kane County in Northeast Illinois, North Central Kimball County in Northeast Illinois, until 8 o'clock p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cortland and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Maple Park and Hinckley around 7:20 p.m. Elbert around 7:30 p.m. Sugar Grove around 7:40 p.m. Interstate 88 between mile markers 92 and 114. This storm is producing damaging large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Well, this sounds serious.